Investing? What is that? Hey, if that sounds like you, then you're gonna wanna stick around in today's video because today we're gonna be having what exactly investing is in its most simplest terms, along with a few examples brought to you all by a 7-year-old. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on everyone? Brian here at Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome back to the channel where every single week we're bringing you tips, information, even online based opportunities to get you to making some more money. Whether that be within your personal finances or for your entrepreneurs out there within your business, helping you stack on some additional sources and streams of revenue. So if you're looking to just make a little bit of money to get through some hard times, some difficult times, or you're a business owner looking to multiply, and exponentially grow your revenue within your business, then you're going to want to click that little red subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we upload new content, as we do multiple times a week, every single week. All right. Hey, and I also encourage you, if you know someone who's also looking to make some more money, a lot of money, little money, doesn't matter, share the video and let us know that you're liking the video by hitting that thumbs up button as well. All right. We deeply appreciate the shares, the likes, all the love, and the comments. Leave a comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or whatnot. Let us know. With that said, today we are talking about what exactly investing is. If you come from a background like I come from, where I had a wonderful and terrific upbringing, but when it came to money, I knew, and most people around me knew a little about money, aside from, just going to a job and hustle and bustle and, working hard for your money. And what I've learned over the years, once I actually got into maybe my mid-20s is when I actually understood what investing was and understood that to accumulate enough money on a consistent basis that leads to financial freedom and perhaps even wealth, you're going to need to invest money. Now, the issue is that the word also, once it is becomes known to some people, right? It seems to have like this huge negative connotation. When people think investing, they think something extremely difficult and extremely complex. Now, although there may be really complex ways to invest money, right? In its most simplest terms, it is extremely a simple thing, right? And anybody can invest. Again, it's gonna depend on what kind of investing you're doing, financial situation currently, where you're ultimately trying to get to, things of that nature. But in its most simplest terms, it is a very simple idea, okay? And that is what we want to share with you guys today. For those of you who are not familiar with investing, exactly what it is, broken down in its most simplest terms. And we're going to even show you a few examples, and we're going to have all that done for you today by my 7-year-old son, Brian Diaz II, right? Recently, he created a video, and for my Greenlight card, I don't know if you all are familiar with that, but it's like a little debit card for children to help them start getting into, finance and banking and stuff like that. Okay. And so they have this competition going, and he created a short little video that we're going to be showing you here momentarily on exactly what investing is, right? And to his understanding. Okay. And so, but I thought, hey, maybe this might be a great idea for other children out there to see, maybe even some adults, okay? Because like I said, I didn't know what investing was until my early to mid 20s, all right? So I know there's some adults out there who are like, what exactly is investing? Because you're not familiar with it, you shy away from it and all the opportunity that comes along with investing. So with that said, we're gonna jump right on into Brian's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Check it out.
Hi, my name is Brian. I am 7 and I am in 2nd grade. Today we are going to be talking about investing. What is investing? Using money to make more money. Stocks. Apple. I bought Apple at $118. 1 week it went up to $128. That means I made $10 profit. I bought an apartment for $5,000. All these people pay me $8,600. That means I make $3,600 profit. Self-improvements. That means investing in yourself by reading books and going to classes and events to learn more about investing, because yourself is the most important investment you can ever make. Hope you like this video. Have a great day. Bye.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I hope that you really enjoyed Brian's video. It was very short, right? But simple, straight to the point. What investing is, right? Taking money, leveraging money to create even more money, right? And the most important one was the one at the end, investing in yourself, right? There is no price tag on that. You can never stop learning. All right. I think it was Warren Buffett who once said something to the extent of, the most important things you will ever learn in your life come after school. Okay, like after high school, even after college. Okay, I promise you, I didn't start really investing in myself through reading, studying until after college. All right, I think even through college, I had read like 3 books my whole life. Yeah, it wasn't all that encouraged in my environment. But once I found what I was interested in and passionate about, which is finance, which is about wealth, which is about success and prosperity, right? And investing all comes into play in those things, right? In the life I want to live, at least. So I really made it a point to study these things. And it's just a habit to be immersed in the information about business, entrepreneurship, investing, how to take money and leverage it to make more money. It's all a fun game that I really enjoy. So I hope that you have gotten some value from, whether it's me or Brian's, definition or examples of what investing is. I hope that you have gotten some value from this video. If you have, if you like either one of us or both of us, hit that thumbs up button. Let us know you liked it. If you have any comments, please do share. We would love to hear some feedback, any suggestions when it comes to investing for the community. Please drop it in the comment section below. Again, subscribe. Make sure also you're following us on all social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips. And we will see you soon, guys. Take care. Peace.